fans and friends. Brr, it's cold outside. I woke up and it's negative 13. It looks like tomorrow when I wake up, it's going to be negative 20. With that being said, there's a lot of home problems like pipes freezing going on in the metro area. Wanted to give you guys a quick tip on how to possibly prevent something like that, especially if your plumbing is running on an outside wall. Here's my bathroom sink on an outside wall. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up the cabinet like this, and then I'm gonna turn the hot water on, just slight, slow drip. When you have a slow drip, that helps prevent the pipes from freezing solid. Worst thing you could do is wake up to frozen pipes. That's all I have for you today. Stay tuned for more realtor tips.